In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop repetitive work in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. If you're tired of doing the same small tasks again and again, automations in Pipedrive can take that work off your plate. I'll walk you through where to find automations, how to choose the right starting point, and what each part of an automation means so you can set it up confidently and save time right away. First, open Pipedrive and look to the left-hand sidebar. Click on the three dots icon to open the More Options menu. From there, select Automations. This is your central hub for streamlining everyday actions. If you don't see it immediately, make sure you're in the correct workspace and that you have permissions to create automations. Once you're in, you'll notice that Pipedrive keeps everything in one clean place so you can build and manage your workflows without jumping around. Next, decide how you want to start. You can pick from ready-made templates or create your own from scratch by clicking the Add Automation button in the top right. Templates are ideal if you want proven, common workflows without much setup, while starting from scratch gives you full control. If you already know exactly what you want to happen in your pipeline, starting from scratch can be faster than it sounds. Either way, you're heading into the same simple builder. Every automation is built from 3 parts: the trigger, the conditions, and the action. The trigger is what starts the automation. Think of moments like when a deal is created, a stage changes, or a field is updated. The conditions refine when it should proceed. For example, only if the deal is in a specific pipeline, or only if the deal value is above a certain amount. Conditions keep your automation targeted so it runs only when it truly makes sense. The action is what you want Pipedrive to do automatically. That could be creating a task, sending an email template, moving a deal to the next stage, or updating a field. As you set each part, be clear and specific so the automation behaves exactly as you expect. When you're satisfied, save your automation. That's it. From now on, those simple, repetitive tasks will run in the background, consistently and on time. You can always come back to adjust details as your process evolves. Start small, keep it focused, and let Pipedrive handle the busy work so you can focus on selling.